Hi, this is your device BLLE 40 ampere AC, which is connected to this avionics motor 1250 kV. Now you can hear the sound, the grinding noise. And now wait for the second AC to be connected. And now the same motor is connected to the Hobby King 30 amps ESC. It doesn't give that grinding noise. So as you can see, there are two different noises from both the ESC. Your device BLLE 40 amps and Simon K 30 amps.